Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we have a new topic and a new chapter, which is chapter number 3. And the topic of chapter number 3 is logarithms. You all will know the idea of logarithm was first given by Musa al-Khwarizmi. And the logarithm we are using this time are called common logs. And the base of the common logarithm is base 10. The first of all, the basic of the logarithm is scientific notations. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation is a method of writing bigger or very smallest numbers in the form of 10 raised to power. For example, here let's see, this is the form of scientific notation. When we write a number in this form, it is called scientific notation. And when we write the number in the simple form, it is called common, ordinary notation. Clear? So today we will start with exercise 3.1. Here we have exercise 3.1. The question number 1 of exercise 3.1 is express the following numbers in scientific notation. Again, I have told you the numbers which are written in the form of 10 raised to power and 10 raised to any power are called scientific notations. So let's see the solution. Here we have topic is logarithm and exercise is 3.1. Question is express as scientific notation. First, we have to do the fourth part of question number 1. So the fourth part is 416.9. The number in this form is called ordinary notation. So for this, we will write the question again and we will put a small cap after the first digit. In order to write the number in the scientific notation, one compulsory thing is that the decimal should be after the first non-zero digit. So here in this question, the first non-zero digit is 4. So we have to move this point to after 4. So we will write 4.169. Here you can see 4.169 into 10 raised to power. How many digits we have moved? We have moved this point to 2 digits, 6 and 1. We are shifting this point to 2 digits. So it will become 10 raised to power 2. I hope the question is clear. Two things to remember. The first thing is the point is compulsory to put after the first non-zero digit. And the second thing is you have to notice how many digits you are shifting the points. That will become the power of 10. Is it clear? Now move to the fifth part, and the next part is 83,000s. Now remember the steps. Where you have to put the point? You have to put the point after the first non-zero digit. In this number, the first non-zero digit is 8. It means you have to move the point after 8. So it will become 8.3000. Now how many points you have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have shifted the point 4 digits, so it becomes 10 raised to power 4. And you all know that the zeros after the decimals at the end of the decimal has no significant value. So 8.3000 means 8.3. We can ignore these zeros. So it becomes 8.3 into 10 raised to power 4. I hope this topic is clear to you. Now we will move to the second question of exercise 3.1. The second question is, express the following numbers in ordinary notation. You all can see we have the numbers in the scientific notation in 10 raised to any power. So we have to convert these numbers into ordinary notation. It means without 10 raised to any power. So let's see the solution. Here is the first part, 5.06 into 10 raised to power 10. In these questions, first of all, if there is any negative power, you will make that power positive, and then you will write the power in the simple form. Here you can see 5.06. I have removed the decimal of this, so it becomes 506 and 1 under the decimal and two decimal places, so it 2 zeros will come. 5.06, when I remove the decimal, it becomes 506 over 100. And so I remove this power. 10 raised to power mean 10 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I put 10 raised to power 10 as 1 with 10 zeros. Now these 2 zeros are cancelled with any 2 zeros. So how many zeros left? From 10 we have cancelled 2 zeros, so 8 zeros left. When I multiply 506 with this, the answer will be 506 and 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now move to the next part. 9.018 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Remember, I have told you in case of any negative power, you will make it positive. If you remember the concept in chapter number 2, you all know when we shift the power from numerator to denominator or from denominator to numerator, it changes its sign. So I will move this 10 raised to power minus 6 to the denominator to make it positive. Here it is in numerator. When I shifted it to denominator, it becomes positive. Now repeat the previous step. Remove the decimal, 1 under the decimal and 1, 2, 3 decimal places, so 3 zeros will come. And when I change this 10 raised to power 6, it becomes 1 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this 1000 is multiplying with this. So after multiplication of these two numbers, here we have 9 zeros. 3 and 6 all are 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you can divide this number by this and we get 0.00009018. This is the simple method. So what are the steps? In order to convert any scientific notation into ordinary notation, you have to make any negative power positive. Then in case of any decimal, you will remove the decimal. And the third step, you will write the 10 raised to power into simple numbers and then solve according to the question. I hope it is clear to you.